Dear students, the next neat motion in a straight line, question number 6. So I'll read the question now. Please listen. The question is, a motorist drive north for 35 minutes at 85 km per hour and then stop for 15 minutes. Again, he next continue north, the traveling 130 km in 2 hours. So what is the total displacement? That is the question. Option A 85 km, option B 179.6 km, then option C, that is third option 20 km, and fourth option 140 km. So let's we discuss. So I'll read the question one more time. A motorist drive north for 30 minutes. So first I can mention that diagram. So please listen with the direction. So we know in the direction news, N E W is news. So north, south, east, west. So the question is, one motorist drive a north for 35 minutes. So in the north direction, so one person is moving in the motorist, moving in this direction. It is the north direction moving. How much hour? 35 minutes is moving. 35 minutes moving. He covered 85 km per hour. 85 km per hour. So in this much speed he is moving, but 35 minutes only moving. After that he's taking rest 15 minutes. For example, he reached here, he taking rest 15 minutes. After that again he continue in the same path. After the rest he continue the same path. He cover 130 km in 2 hours. He cover 130 km in 2 hours. So he didn't change the direction. For understanding purpose, I will draw here. For example, this is north. For example, okay. First of all, he traveling 85 km per hour speed. 35 minutes he is traveling. After that, he taking rest. Again, he continue the same path, 130 km in 2 hours. So the total displacement is asking. This is the question. So total displacement is what? This is the question. So first we can find first displacement, then second displacement, then you should add, we can get total displacement. So first they said 35 minutes traveling, the speed is 85 km per hour. So you know speed is equal to, or velocity equal to displacement divided by time. So displacement equal to velocity into time. So displacement 1, this is displacement 1, d1. So d1 equal to velocity 1 is what? That is 85 km per hour. So 85 km per hour into time. Time is what? 35 minutes. 35 minutes. 1 minute is equal to, you know very well, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to how many hours? So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hour. So divide by 60, then hour. So we can say that here hour will be cancelled. So the remaining d1 is equal to, here the fifth table, in the fifth table, here 12 time, here 17 time. So we can write remaining 70 into 35 divide by 12. 17 into 35 divide by 12. So please listen, students. So now we can multiple 17 into 35. So I can do it here with a different color. 17 into 35. 17 into 35. So 5 into 7, 5, remaining 3. Then here 5 plus 3 is 8, 8, 5. Then so here 3 into 7, 21. Remaining 2. So 3 plus 2, 5, 51. So 5, 9, 5. So 5, 9, 5 divide by 12. So 5, 9, 5 divide by 12. So let's take the 59 4 times. So it is equal to 48. So the remaining is here 5, here 1, 1. So therefore so here the 9 times. So 9 into 12, that is equal to 108. So that remaining 15 means 7. So 7 is there. Good point. Add 1 0. So this is equal to 5 times will come. 5 times means here the 60 will come. The remaining is 10. Again we can add 0. So here that 8 times will come. So 49.58. So this is approximately I can write. So we can add 1. So I can write this division value is equal to 49.6. 49.6 kilometer. So this is D1. So D1 value we found. Next D2 value already given in the question. D2 value is, that is 130 kilometer is covered in 2 hours. So it is separately given as 130 kilometer. So total displacement, that is T is equal to D1 plus T2. So T1 is given as we found, that is 49.6 kilometer. Okay, then T2 is 130 kilometer. So 130 kilometer. So totally here 0.697. So 179.6 kilometer. This is answer. So this option is matched with option B, 179.6. So this is option B, that is 179.6 kilometer. That is the total displacement. Okay. For confusing purpose only they mentioned the direction, but here is nothing. He traveled in the same north direction. He taking the rest. So in the rest of time displacement is nothing displacement. So again he start to moving. Again start to journey. So the total displacement is D1 plus D2. D1 is 49.6. D2 is 130. So if you add 179.6 kilometer. So here the main operate is here that the minutes value converted into hour. So that only here. I hope you understand. So please observe one more time this video. Okay. Thank you.